Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm showing you guys the best money method for this week to making millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online. If this video was helpful and you do end up making millions out of these money methods on today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and comment down below and drop a like since it supports out the channel a whole lot, and so more people can check out the video and make millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online. And while you're at it, consider hitting that subscribe button down below with turn on notifications to never miss out on a future video. And now, let's get into the money methods. If you play GTA 5 Online on PC or even PlayStation, make sure you go and check out Energetic Modding down below in the description for modded accounts and even account boosting down below. They sell modded accounts for cheap and reliable GTA cash services, and they have thousands of customers, so if you do want to go and check them out and learn more about them, go to their website down in the description. And now, onto the video. Now the first money method on today's list is going to be the best one, and it's going to be the vehicle cargo for this week. Now if you do not know, for this week only, it is going to be double money and double RP for all vehicle cargo sales, right? So when you sell a car, you're going to be getting double money and double RP when selling it. Now the only requirements you're going to be needing in today's video is to own a CEO office. They're also on sale, and also once you own the CEO office, you head over here to where it says vehicle cargo, the middle one, come over to the warehouse map right here, and then go over to the top right-ish where it says all, and then you should have these red triangles right here. All you want to do is go and buy any one of these, and as you can see, they are on sale, so I recommend for you to go and buy it. Now the one I owned, which is the green triangle, is I believe the cheapest one. I'm not so sure, but I think it is. Once you have bought a vehicle warehouse, all you want to do is just go ahead and source a vehicle, okay? Now these sourcing vehicles can make you tons of cash. If you get top range vehicles, each one of those sell for $200,000, and you can sell a maximum of 4 at a time. So if you do sell 4 top range vehicles, that's gonna get you about $800,000, right? And sometimes they're super easy to get. Now this one is a top range vehicle that I just sourced. It's called the Mamba, I believe it was, and I'm about to deliver right now. And also, if you do want to know how to make a solo public session, I have a video linked down below on how to make a solo public session with the latest patch of 1.56 and in 2021. So yeah, here we go. I just delivered it right here, and now I'm gonna go and sell it. Now as you guys can see, the price I'm gonna be selling is for like crazy amount of cash, right? And this here took me about I believe like 4 minutes to go ahead and from my CO office to pick up the car and deliver it to my warehouse, right? It took me about 4 minutes, super easy to do and quickly, right? Now I'm gonna go and be selling my vehicle cargo right now. Now I did have one other person help me out, so I'm gonna be selling my T20 and my Mamba right here for $400,000. So come over to the export. Also, if you do want to go and make more cash, you can sell your vehicles as a collection, all right? You get a more bigger bonus, right? And always sell your vehicles as a specialist dealer, right? You make more money doing it that way. Now you just want to go and customize your vehicle. These parts, it really does not do a difference, right? All you gotta do is remove the tracker, and that's pretty much it. Now once you're out, all you gotta do is basically just deliver the car. And if you're on a solo public session, the only thing you have to worry about is the NPCs trying to like shoot at you, and that's pretty much it, okay? If you're doing a solo public lobby, you do not have to worry about any other players. So yeah, and I highly recommend for you to go and watch the video for the solo public lobby that I have linked down below. It's gonna help you out a whole lot when doing this, right? Trust me, okay? So yeah, all you gotta do is just go ahead and deliver it to the location. So I'm going driving there. Now the guys that are shooting at us, the NPCs, they kind of did a little damage right there at the very end, all right? So here you go, I'm delivering my car right here. I ended up getting about like $900 worth of damages. My other friend right here got, I think, almost $8,000 worth of damages. It was crazy, right? But yeah, here we go, he's delivering the car, and there we go. I was able to make $392,000 worth of this commission. And yeah, and that took me about like I believe 12 minutes to get the T20 and the Mamba and sell the car, right? So this is some crazy amount of cash you could be making, and you can just keep on those back to back. And also, if you do want to double it, you can go and do K-Preco with this as well and just double your money. Now the next money method on today's list is going to be the extractions. Come over here to your play job, rocks are created. Once you come into advisory mode right here, and keep on scrolling down until you find extraction. So here's extraction right here, and as you guys can see, these are going to be triple money and triple RP for this week only, all right? So as you guys can see, for this week only, they're going to be triple money and triple RP, and you guys can make some crazy amount of cash, right? Basically, the point of this game is there's 3 teams, right? There's the target, which has a plane crashed and you are the target, and you got to get like away safely. Now the next team is going to be the bodyguard. The bodyguard have to go ahead and extract the target from like the crash zone, and the last squad, which I'm playing right now, is the hit squad, and basically we got to take out the target. Okay, so yeah, basically the bodyguards have to protect the target and we have to go ahead and kill it. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. It's kind of like president, if you know, you got to protect the bodyguard and all that. Basically that is what it is, right? And honestly, this is one here is like honestly really fun. I'm probably going to be streaming this one here pretty soon. All right, so make sure you do have notifications on. This guy kind of messed up my angle. I couldn't get him right there, but yeah, so I'm gonna go run up on him right now with a gun to go and get him. Right, and I would highly recommend you to go ahead and do this. It is super fun to go and do with your friends, and it's honestly easy to get players in here. All right, so you go match winner, and we ended up getting about 69,000. Now guys, keep in mind we could have got paid more money if we had more players. I only had I believe 7 players I had, and the maximum you can have is about 12. So more players, more money, and also I always recommend to put as many rounds as possible, okay, and make sure you just play them as much as possible. All right, so yeah, there you go. I was able to get 69,000 just from that one. And now on to the next money method. Now the next money method on today's list is gonna be the RC Bandito time trial. Now for this one, sadly you do need to own an RC Bandito, and it's located right here at the cemetery. So if you do not own an RC Bandito, sadly you cannot do this. Just go and skip to the next timestamp on the video. But if you do own an RC Bandito, this is an easy way to make 100,000 easily. All right, all you gotta do is go ahead and get these checkpoints, and you just gotta beat the time trial under 1 minute and 20 seconds. All right, now the only thing I would say you have to worry about is these lamp posts right here, like these light poles. Those right there that's passed in this one right here, and also those benches, bro. Those are like the only thing you have to worry about. Those are the only things that mess me up mostly. The light poles and the chairs. That's pretty much it. All that, you're pretty good to go. All right, I'm just gonna go and speed it up until I do finish the time trial. So you're going about to finish the time trial, and there you go, 100,000, and I was able to complete it in 1 minute and 19 seconds with a second left on the clock. So easy to go ahead and do. I highly recommend for you to go and do this money method if you do own the RC Bandito. So it's literally free money. All right, a free 100,000 just like that. And now on to the next and final money method for this week. Now the last and final money method is going to be the time trial, and it's located all at the very top of the map right here. This is where it's located at. And also this is the same as the RC Bandito time trial. If you go and complete it under the time they give us, you get 100,000, and the checkpoint's going to be located up the mountain. All right, now all you want to do is go and start up and basically follow the path I'm going to be taking. Trust me, the path I'm going to be showing you, it's going to make things a lot easier. So go and follow the train track right here, and once you get to the end of this like little bridge, go over to this like little cliff thingy, like this little ramp. Hit the second one as well, and then right here go ahead to the right and just go ahead and climb the mountain. All right, now be careful on these rocks right here. They did end up messing me up. I did crash about like 3 times on the rocks and trees up here, so just be careful, take your time. You should still be able to complete it. All right, so just keep on going up this little mountain right here, and then once you get to around this location, start heading a bit more to the right. Okay, so once you get to the top right there, and as you guys can see, I can see the finish line right there. And there we go. I was able to complete it in 41 seconds with 5 more seconds on the clock. You're basically getting 100,000 in 41 seconds, right? Now I highly recommend for you to go ahead and do this money method right here, since anybody can do it, because all you need is a motorcycle for this time trial right here, and that's pretty much it. And you're basically getting for $100,000 in 41 seconds, right? So I highly recommend for you to go and do this money method here ASAP, since anybody can do it. And I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. And yeah, it's Tiimedesign, sign out, peace.